I know for a fact that if everybody in the world would just get up and go out for a sunrise and just be quiet, which I'm not right now, but I wanted to share this. You know, you never know. You go out, a lot of times I go out and I'm kind of disappointed, but you know, God paints these pictures just for us. These beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pictures. That's why I get up in the morning. The world would be a better place if everybody got up and witnessed the sunrise. Took a few pictures to document God's handiwork, His creativity. Look at this. I mean, who could be angry at a time like this? Who could be divisive? Who could be political? Who could be angry? Only the sick. Now I'm starting to see the lower clouds turn in a nice shade of purple. I'll get the camera out for that. People also ask me, why do you live up in North Dakota, out in the Toonies, on an international boundary water lake? This is just one of 100,000 reasons why. Look how this develops over the morning. This streaky dark cloud coming across, sun coming up over here. It's starting to light it up. Let's see how far it goes. Just amazing. Thank you, Lord.